Well, that couple took matters into their own hands and built a large dirt berm, as you can see, around their home.
The homeowner tells me it was pretty expensive to build and they're not even sure if it's going to work, but they say after all they've been through, they had to try something. This was Pam and Mark Teeter's home after Hurricane Milton. The couple had only just moved from North Carolina 3 months before. And while the flooding from Milton is long gone, the Teeters still have standing water on parts of their property from rainstorms that happened after.
It's tearing up their lives.
Pam approached the county several times for help, even offering a few suggestions like building a berm around the retention pond next door or digging their ditches.
And that we were the lowest point in this area and that all the water would flow to us.